Quite often I have fathers come in to see me and they say they want to seek custody of their children. The first question that I ask them is, how is that in the best interest of your child? The second question I ask them is, how have you participated in the raising of your child? Depending on the answers they give me, then I may or may not accept their case to seek custody. It has to be in the best interest of the child, and I generally look to see if the father has been an active participant in the child's life. If mom's been a stay-at-home mother that's been the one that did everything, the bathing, the feeding, the clothing, the activities, dad's probably doesn't have a chance of getting custody, physical custody. But if dad's been actively participating in the child's life, he can show that for whatever reason it's in the child's best interest that the child live with him. Maybe mom's got an alcohol problem. Maybe mom has a drug problem. Maybe mom has been bringing boyfriends into the house when the children were present. A lot of circumstances. Mom's just a party girl. Mom is abusive toward the children, yells at them, slaps them, doesn't take them to school on time. There's multiple tardies and absences from school, and mom was supposed to get them there. These are all reasons that we can use to pursue custody for a father. I myself received custody of my 3-year-old daughter in 1973. I was a construction worker in those days, not a lawyer. But my child needed help, was in a situation that she needed to be taken out of, and I gained custody. Since then, I have fought long and hard for fathers when it's justified. If you're seeking custody of your child as a father, I can help you. Come see us. There are many stereotypes and biases that we have to overcome in a courtroom during a divorce case. I once had a judge actually sit on the bench and said, "I have never seen a calf nurse a bull." Well, that tells me that judge has a real bias against fathers in regard to children. Those things are less common today. Our society has evolved and fathers' rights have grown significantly. But there are biases. Every judge has their own life experiences that they use in making decisions. Perhaps they've gone through a divorce. Perhaps they have a spouse that went through a divorce. Perhaps they have stepchildren that live in their house and the father of those children is not doing as he should. All these things affect a judge in the decisions they're making. We all say they shouldn't, but the judge forms opinions as to what's in a child's best interest based on their own life experiences. That's why it's important that you have a judge in your local area and that your attorney understands and knows the circumstances of that judge and the way they typically rule. There are many things that a father can do in order to build a strong case to fight for custody and or visitation rights. The first thing I tell them is start writing things down. Keep a calendar of events. If mom's doing things she shouldn't do, write down the specifics. If she's getting drunk, on such and such a night she got drunk, we had this, the children saw that. Be active in the children's life. Be active in insulating the children from exposure to things that they shouldn't be exposed to. Just be a participant. Bathe your children. Take your children to all their activities. Sit down and read with them. Play with them. Have play dates. Get to know their teachers. You'll be amazed how many times I can ask a father on the witness stand, what size shoe does your child wear? They don't have a clue. What's the name of your child's school teacher? They don't know. Mom knows those things. If you're going to seek custody as a father, you should know those things as well. If you're a father that is considering seeking custody of your child, either through a divorce or a modification, we're here to meet with you, counsel you, and help you at Daniels and Taylor. There are many types of evidence that you can use as a father to help your case in seeking custody. You can tape record any conversation that you're a party to. You do not have to tell the other side that you are doing so, as long as you are party to that conversation. You cannot tape record your spouse's conversations on the phone with your children because you are not a party to that conversation. But in Georgia, you can tape record any conversation you're a party to. If your spouse is misbehaving, perhaps they're getting drunk, you can take pictures of them in those states. You can develop a list of witnesses, people that will talk about your good behavior, your good parenting skills, and your spouse's bad behavior or bad parenting skills. All these things can help you in seeking custody of your children. You can get to know your children's school teachers, all the people involved in their life, their extracurricular activities. If you've got a daughter and she's in Brownies or Girl Scouts, know what they're doing in Brownies and Girl Scouts. Understand those things. Take your children shopping. Know what size clothes they wear. Know what their favorite things are. Know who their best friends are. If they go to the doctor, go to the doctor. Participate in their care. Get involved with your child. That's the best way to seek custody and show that it's in the child's best interest that you have custody of the child. If you're a father that wants to seek custody of your child either through a divorce or through a modification, come see Daniels and Taylor. We'll be glad to advise you and help you.